Hello, friends. My name is Amita Ghosh, and you are watching Asatoma Sadgamaya. Do you believe that our thoughts create our reality, or we get what we put our focus on, irrespective of the fact whether we want it or not? The great physicist Albert Einstein said, "Ask yourself one question: is it a friendly or a hostile universe?" In the words of Albert Einstein, everything is energy, and that is all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy, this is physics. And this, my friends, is the law of attraction, which works 24/7, whether we understand it or not. According to the law of attraction, whatever we focus on expands in our life. Like a powerful magnet, we draw people, things, situations to us, which are vibrating at the same similar frequency as we are. The law of attraction remains a mystery for most of us. What if I told you that you have attracted the house that you live in, your job, the quality of your relationship, and even the day to day experiences of your life? You are so much more powerful than you think you are. It's just that you are attracting and creating unconsciously. With a little bit of awareness, we can be conscious creators of our lives. Friends, before diving deep into this topic, I just want to let you know that the most famous book on the law of attraction is The Secret Magic by Rhonda Byrne. This is an amazing book, and this is also available in the YouTube in the form of a short documentary, a movie. I think everyone should go through this movie and read this book at least for once. And apart from this book, another book that I would highly recommend is Ask and It Is Given by Esther and Jerry Hicks. In this book, they have amazingly explained the importance of feeling good at the present moment and how we attract our desire by being a vibrational match to it. I think both these books are just amazing. The law of attraction consists of three major steps: ask, believe, and receive. I feel that before asking the universe, first we should ask our own selves what exactly it is that we want, and only after we are sure of our desire that we should put that desire out into the universe. And the second step, you have to believe that it is coming to you. You have to believe that you are a magnet to your desire. But I feel that believing is not enough. Taking proper action is equally important. If you keep on sitting and dreaming, then it will lead you to nowhere. It is only after taking proper actions, a proper vision towards your goal, that you are going to manifest your desire. And the final step is receiving. Receive your desire, receive your manifestation with a grateful heart and with open arms. Here, I would like to say that even if you think nice and pleasing and good thoughts, most of the time, even then, you are bound to face challenges in life. Challenges are there to raise our consciousness so that we can evolve and grow. And they are a very, very essential part of our lives. Another thing that I would like to add is nothing is magic, nothing works instantly. There's always a time lag between asking and receiving of your desire. Now you can ask that how can we be vibrationally aligned to our desires? Friends, for example, if you want to manifest money, wealth in your life, then you have to believe and act as if you are already wealthy. You have to think, act, and behave like a rich person. But only believing and acting will not be enough. You have to work hard and take proper constructive action on how you would reach your goals. You will definitely manifest wealth because we always get what we are. And we are the core beliefs that we have about ourselves. Whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life, you have to believe that you already have it Because what happens is that when we chase things, we create resistance to it. We feel a scarcity mindset, and this delays our manifestation. When we feel that we already have that thing, then automatically the resistance dissolves and we match the exact frequency of our desire. And that is the exact time that we manifest it. One thing that I would like to repeat again is that apart from believing that your desire is coming to you, taking action is very, very important. There is no substitute to hard work. Before concluding, I would just like to say choose your thoughts wisely. You have to become a vibrational match to your desire. Otherwise, even if you get it by accident, you are bound to lose it because you're not vibrationally aligned to it. The universe is full of abundance and we deserve it all. As the famous poet Rumi said, all that you seek is seeking you. Let us make it true for us. Let's manifest our desires. I'll be back soon with another video. Until then, stay blessed.